Today, I tell you and show you all you need to know about Notion Easy Start, my 250 pages book about Notion that will help you learn Notion and build your own dashboard to become more efficient, more productive, more creative. Let's dive into it directly. Hello, I'm Vince and welcome to No Coder Pro. Every book starts with a cover, and this cover is quite nice in my opinion. The rocket is designed by Eloise Visser. She did all the illustrations in the book, and I think they are perfect. It's very nice. I did the screenshots and the text, but she made it beautiful with those illustrations. Thanks to the community, to Thomas Frank and many others that commented on the different iterations of the cover to help me make it beautiful, readable, with enough space, enough clarity. Yeah, thank you everybody for this. Thank you everybody for your help. The foreword is by Ben Lang. Ben Lang is the head of community at Notion, and I'm very honored that he accepted to make the foreword. Then many thanks. And we have the color conventions. The color conventions are quite important to me because they help you make the difference between pages and databases, between relations and envelopes, between the different levels of the formulas with the color and the font size and so on. So I really think those color conventions can help you better understand how Notion works, and they are really useful in this book. So let's start with the overview of the content of this book. The first chapter is quite light. We simply discover Notion, we take our first steps, and we create a workspace. We discover the options and talk a little bit about the pricing. Then in the second chapter, we really dive in by creating pages, subpages, and we always think about structure first. We create columns within columns, we arrange them. Then we talk about templates, the three types of templates that exist in Notion. We create some of our own, and we also use templates created by others, which you can find all over the internet. In the third chapter, we discover databases, one of the major strengths of Notion. We start by reviewing the basic concepts of databases. We create our first database and play with filters, sorting, and views. The fourth chapter gives us a little break. You can find it for free in the description of this video. You just fill in the form, you have a link, you fill in the form and you received the fourth chapter for free and a nice coupon code if you want to buy the book on Gumroad. The fifth chapter explains how to create relations. We retrieve data from different databases through relations and envelopes, and we even find a way to do something that is not possible, but we're a bit crazy, so we do it anyway. The sixth chapter introduces you to the wonderful world of formulas in Notion. We manipulate numbers, dates, and strings. I begin by explaining how they work and show you how to understand and write instructions nested inside one of each other. If you want to go further with formulas, I have another book on Gumroad to help you, Notion Spells. The seventh chapter sets everything you have learned to music, creating a complete, effective, and aesthetic control panel. The release of the API gives us a chance to go further with an eighth chapter to extend our adventure and go far beyond Notion with Integromat, Zapier, and Automate.io. We then conclude our crazy adventure, not with a goodbye, but with an au revoir. Here you go. Hope you found all of this useful. Get your copy today and enjoy a nice rebate. Skyrocket your Notion. Once again, I'm Vince. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Be kind in your comments because trolls are only fun when they dance, sing, or hug. Until next time, be kind, be brave, be the best version of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.